figured it was about time to do a tutorial on how to install a joist hanger. I've installed quite a few of them at this point. Still not entirely sure I know what I'm doing, but here goes. So, you make your mark. The mark can either be all the way from the other end, and you put it on whatever so if you're 2 foot on center, you put it on a 4 or 6 and 8, and so on and so forth. And then you drop it back 3/4 of an inch. Or, because it's 2 foot on center, you can measure from one side of your previous joist hanger and then mark the same side on this joist hanger. So that's what I've done. It's not as accurate because you can lose a 1/16, over 10 joist hangers and be out 10/16. Anyway, so I'm going to make a square mark down, and then I'm going to tell what side of the mark the joist is supposed to be on. Alright, it's pretty simple. Grab your joist hanger from your bucket. Nope. Put the joist hanger back down. Stop getting sidetracked. Get a piece of your joist and line it up at the top. Make a mark at the bottom. Because I'm using 2x10 joists and a 2x12 rim, they don't just line up at the bottom. So line it up with your bottom mark right there. Line it up with this mark right here, and then line it up again because you moved it, and then bang this little ear thing over here in. Now every time I do that, it slides to the side a little bit, so I've been setting it up just a little bit left of the line, and then it makes its way back to the line. So once one of the ears is in, I usually put the nails in, because when I bang that one in, this one pops out, etc., etc. Alright, take one nail in there and then align the joist hanger up along that line. Put a nail on the bottom. Wow, that's the worst one I've done so far. Well, I guess this will be part of the bloopers reel, because I don't like that one. And I don't have my tool. It's over there. Ah, damn. Now I have my tool. My goodness. Oh, that is solid. Sit still, would you? Oh, I cannot believe that nail is in there that well. I am so good at putting in nails. Holy cow. It was off like 1/8 of an inch. Wanted it there. Of course, I'm using a bent nail now. This is how you move around. Welcome to Moving Around 101. First thing you do, ruin your joist hanger by trying to make a snazzy video of how to install one of these things poorly. This is honestly see what I mean? From the very first joist hanger I installed, this has been absolutely the worst. Almost comical how bad it's been. that is how you install the joist hanger. With any luck, I'll be able to edit out all the crap that I did wrong. Hope you enjoyed this video tutorial on how not to build a garage.